Good morning, children. Today, let us take page number 70. Page number 7070, chapter 6. The boy who drew cats. The boy who drew cats. See here, drew. Actually, it is draw, drew, drawn. So this is the verb. This is the main verb. So it is to draw, drew, drawn. Similarly, to grow, grew, grown. See, these two words you have to keep in mind. So here in the heading you see the boy who drew kites. So this particular boy was talented in drawing. Yes. Drawing. So he was very much interested in drawing. So wherever he used to go, he used to draw some pictures, and especially the pictures of kites. Now let us see here what this particular boy does. So in the warm-up section you see, my dear children, look at the two pictures. They look similar, but there are 6 differences between them. Spot the differences. So what are the differences? See here, all the children are wearing different types of. What are the six differences? See, they have all colorful dresses. Okay. And then see the first picture. There are 4 birds flying in the sky, and also there you can see the clouds here and there. Some patch of clouds are here and there. Okay, and in the next picture you see there are no birds. You cannot see clouds, and you can see some other things. So here there are 6 differences between them. Spot the differences. Please find it. This is for you. You please find out here what are the differences. See that the mountain is there, the trees are there, 2 houses, and then there is one more difference. Here just you see in front of the house, you can see in the first picture some ducks are there. Okay. Then there are some more other differences you can find in the text itself. So it is your work. Please find out and do. Now I am coming to the text proper here. See reading section. So you see page number 71. Now page number 71. Josie was a boy who loved to draw, but he only drew cats and nothing else. Wherever he went, he drew cats. How does his love for drawing make him a hero? Now let us read this story and find out. So the name of the boy is Josie. This one is boy in the story who is very much interested in drawing. So what does he draw? He always draws kites. Wherever he goes, he is busy in making the picture of cat or cats. Now let us read the first paragraph. Josie grew up on a farm with his parents, brothers and sisters. So he grew up in the farm. See, it is a very big, vast area of land where different types of cultivations are done. So it is a very big area. So farm where it is a place of cultivation. A place of cultivation. Different types of crops are cultivated, or different types of vegetables are produced or planted in the farm. So Josie grew up. So just before that I wrote to grow, grew, grown. So you need to remember the past forms and the present form. So to grow, grew, grown. Okay. So he grew up. He became big. So Josie grew up on a farm with his parents, brothers and sisters. He was brought up there. The other children helped their father and mother. But Josie only drew on the ground with a stick. So this particular boy was always busy in drawing. He was not helping the parents. Rather he was busy in drawing different types of pictures, and especially he was drawing kites. So he was, to say somewhat, he was not very much interested in farming. See, he was not very much interested in farming. He doesn't want to become a farmer. He did not want to become a farmer. Therefore, he was always practicing and making kites. But Josie only drew on the ground with a stick. So he had no pen, no color pencil. Rather, he used to draw with a stick. So on the sand he was sitting, maybe on the ground, and then he was making the picture of kite. So he was very much interested in drawing, and that was his talent. So my dear children, I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much to everyone.